Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is my DIY MagSafe charger. It's still stuck on and still working fine. And here is my wireless CarPlay, still functioning perfectly, no complaints. Today I'm going to replace my wiper blades. They're smearing and they're noisy. Here are some cheap eBay purchases to replace my existing wiper blades. Now to replace the front wiper blades, you need to bring it into service mode. So you'll find this under the menu section of your car infotainment system, and then go into car and then servicing. Once in there, make sure the wiper change position box is checked. Now to take the wiper blades out, you just press this button here and pull up, and the wiper blade should come out. Fitting in is simple, you just line it up and push down until you hear the click. Now someone has left a fire in my car, give me a £10 discount, quick shout out to them. Rear wipers are just as simple. Bend it back until you hear the click and it'll come out. Fitting in is just place it in position and click it in, that's all.